Let's take a look at what the important global commentary has been overnight. First up, let's talk about Jeffrey Gundlach, the double-line CIO, American businessman and investor, and he says that the Fed's 25 bips rate cut is the correct move. He also thinks that gold will close above $4,000 an ounce by the end of the year, and he says that now that even gold miners are getting involved, it seems like retail interest is starting to join the gold market and the trade momentum that they're seeing over there, and he believes that holding a 25% gold position in your overall portfolio is not excessive right now. Moving away from that, let's talk about the biggest news flow coming in from Ben and Jerry's, where their co-founder Jerry, who's Jerry Greenfield, has resigned, stating that they do not have independence in terms of their views and opinions that they would like to express as a company ever since they were made to stop operations in Gaza's West Bank. This comes after they have been acquired by Unilever, and he says that in the last 20 years they've not had any rife with Unilever, but it's becoming recent now that they're not being able to express their views as a group that is now owned by the Magnum company that falls under Unilever, and on the back of that he has put in his resignation. Lastly, let's talk about Donald Trump. No comment coming in on the Fed's rate cut, but he has made a comment on everything that's been happening with the Jimmy Kimmel show that has now been cancelled indefinitely based on the comments that he made on Charlie Kirk. And he also congratulates ABC for finally having the courage to pull down that show. And he says that NBC should be next when it comes to Jimmy and Seth, who are total losers on fake news NBC. So that's the word coming in from Donald Trump as well. And that's the roundup on global equities as well as all the important global comments that we're tracking early this morning.